I never saw an alligator either. Have I, Ma?
Nope.
Chanel, have you? No. Caleb, have you seen an alligator? Back, have you seen one?
No.
I can't see you.
Nope.
No. Okay.
I never heard on the garbage again.
Okay. It's gonna be cool. AJ, what about you? Have you seen one? AJ, yes or no? No? Okay. Let me get myself in here. Can you record me? I ain't never seen an alligator either. I'm excited to see alligators and crocodiles, and it's gonna be so much fun. Hyenas. So come along with us. Okay, come along with us. Woo!
I think someone got me.
Fake turtle. Oh, there's a real turtle. Look. Look, y'all. Real turtle. That's cool.
Come on, girl.
Hi, little turtles. Hi.
That's cool. I'm excited.
Now, with the military rate adults and seniors is right today. Do you have a signature, please?
We have a military discount.
All right. Thanks very much for coming. You have a great time. Just take that receipt right to the gate.
All right. So how far is the check?
It's about a 5-minute walk. It's at the amphitheater directly in the middle of the park where the snack bar.
All right, thank you.
Kind of cold. Thank you.
Yeah, I see alligators around.
Did y'all see the turtles coming in back?
No, I didn't.
They was real turtles. Okay. Are them real or are they fake? All them things. You see them? Are these real or fake? Huh?
I'm pretty sure a lot of them are fake. Because look at that one with the mouth on. Wait,
Oh wait, it's real. Oh my God, they moving.
Why was it still?
Look at it. Oh my God, there's so many of them.
Yeah, they said they have over 800 here.
Wow. They all moving right now. They know we here, right? Right. Look, they all starting to move. Oh my goodness. I did. You want to wake them all up? Wow. No, that's crazy, Daniel. We woke them up.
Why there's the snake?
I don't know. It's so many. So many of them.
There's nothing.
You're
Crazy.
supposed to laugh, but he ain't laughing. It says keep your fingers away because they do bite.
Okay.
But he's supposed to laugh. It's a laughing kookaburra.
You're looking at him. Don't get close.
He is up there.
What is that? Oh, period.
Wasn't it?
Oh, see the parrot?
Oh, okay.
Hi,
Well,
parrot.
I guess they call it a scarlet macaque.
Is that a crow over there? Oh, they call it a.
Scarlet macaque.
Oh. Yeah, that's so beautiful.
It's a Chinese alligator.
Cool.
You see him? He's kind of a little guy.
Oh, it's a lot of them.
Oh, you see? Oh, yeah. Chinese alligator.
Oh,
We just like sitting there.
that's cool.
I wish you could throw stuff
They
out.
just chilling. Oh, it's a couple of them.
Crazy.
Oh, a bobcat. Where is it at, though?
Oh, really?
Where is it at? Oh, it's right there asleep. Daniel, wake the bobcat up.
No. Do not worry.
cat
He's
right
in that
there.
little corner.
He looked like a real cat. Look at the crow. Whoa.
You see the bobcat is?
Oh, it's right
Yeah,
there.
he's a
Come here,
bobcat.
Daniel.
Do you see it? It's a huge turtle. Wow.
He'll pop up what you want for your birthday. Oh, look at that now.
Look, he's moving real slow. Wow. Hi.
They can
You
mow
see
the
the
lawn in the
turtle?
backyard, Lamb. You can mow the lawn in the backyard.
He's a big turtle. You see
Yeah.
him?
Yeah.
Look at him. Oh, he
They
moved
would-
his eyes.
What
Oh.
Mommy.
King of the crocs, they say.
Yeah.
U-tan.
Deep 6 feet.
Wait up in the clock. Wait up in the clock.
Man.
He all by himself.
Mm-hmm. AJ.
They just look like rocks.
Great. You wouldn't even know. Wow, that's so huge.
Crocodile hunting, huh?
Great.
That's what he used to wrestle with, huh?
Wow. He done opened his mouth for us, y'all. Look at now. Look at them teeth. Dang, that's huge teeth. That's cool. Thanks, alligator.
No, he's good. He ain't gonna let him do
He's showing it for us, y'all. That's nice of him. Oh, thank you. Hi, you're cute. Very long and big.
this. Okay, somebody.
Wow. Thank you. Ooh, I got scared. I thought I seen something.
Mommy,
Huh?
I don't want nobody to eat me.
I don't want. Look at all that. What did they keep over there?
Okay, Mom, you were right.
Wonderful.
No, that's scary after seeing all of that.
Right.
That's not the real alligator.
Want to touch it?
No.
No. This is so cool, guys.
It's cool.
If they ask during the show if anybody want to touch them, you gonna go touch them?
Go shoot.
Huh?
Go shoot.
Why are we walking over here? What's over here?
Look, Mom, we're on the bridge.
Right. Wow, that's crazy. Right. Oh my God. Yes, this is crazy.
Just come up and jump.
Wow.
Why down the little bamboo?
Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Hi, cutie.
Hi, how are you guys?
Hi. Look, it gotta be something over there because they moving. You see that water?
There are animals here.
Ostrich, yeah. They huge. Why is it coming over here? Yeah, that thing is huge.
Hi. Hi.
Oh goodness.
Hi.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
Hi.
It's walking with me, Mom. I'm ready to go.
Hi.
Oh my goodness, I'm ready to go.
Well, that's it's about to end though. How you?
Oh, birds. More birds.
There they are.
I hear something moving though. Oh, okay, yeah. That is cool. Wow. Me either. For y'all. Yeah, that's crazy. What is that? only been to albino alligators, but known to man. Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's a lot. Look at that. All the little tiny alligator crocodiles. They moving too. Yeah, they little.
Baby alligator.
There's a lot of them.
Now where's their mom?
Their mama? I don't know where their mama at. Look at that one just walking. That's cool. Oh, them flamingos. They look so pretty. Right? Is that what that is?
I got it.
I don't know. Another parrot, maybe?
Why you pick one?
A muska, blue and gold.
Daddy, why you
Very pretty. They're eating.
He could just fly out.
Right. Yeah. He's drinking water.
Hey, hey,
Turtle.
hey,
Oh, I didn't see that. He's different colors. He's like pink or something.
hey, hey,
Can he fly and get us?
hey,
I
hey,
hope not.
hey, hey, hey.
Hey, what?
Arthur has a.
Turtle down there. Macaw up there.
Hey, hey.
Hey, what, Dan?
Arthur has penguins.
Penguins? I don't know. Do they got penguins?
Look, Daddy, the
It's a
red.
reptile house.
That's a good question. I don't know.
Hey,
Can't get
hey,
no
mommy,
All right.
What about,
mommy,
what's the reptile house?
mommy, 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 mommy,
Hmm.
Put your mouth.
mommy.
Hmm.
You know the. He said, "Get where is the?"
Oh, Lord.
Look how
Oh.
snakes and stuff.
Yep.
Why is it so dark?
There's a turtle there. Look, a fish turtle. Them look different. Oh my God, there's something about my hand that looks. What is it? It's for. Look up. Oh gosh. Right, I got scared. Oh.
You gotta help us too.
On a tree. Look at this snake, Daniel. He's moving his head. You don't like snakes?
Okay, okay. Why you don't like snakes?
Great. Great. Look at this one. He looks like a tree branch.
Okay, that's a rattlesnake. Those are the ones that make those noise.
Oh my God. Look at it. Look, though.
Oh,
It looks
yeah,
like
that's that
hair or something on
rattlesnake.
it. Oh, that looks so scary. Look at that
I
one.
want to hear them rattling.
You probably will as I think. AJ keep trying to touch the snakes, y'all. You gonna do it if they let us? Look at that one.
That's why I'm not putting my finger in there.
at this one, Chanel. Whoa. Is this gonna be a huge snake over here or something? Oh, there it is. Python. Oh, supposed to be a monkey in here. I don't see none.
Right here.
He moved. Oh.
Yeah, he went back up.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we got all the little ones. Yeah.
And a long milk.
Minus Chanel. Oh, the flamingos right there. Thanks, Sam. They still in there.
They wasn't sitting so close.
Mm-hmm.
They'll peck you. Sit there and they'll peck you.
They might. You right. Hyenas, y'all. Oh, it's the real one. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look how big he is. That is crazy. I didn't know they was that big. Whoa. Wow. Hyena, did y'all see him?
No, where? Oh, man. Now that looks crazy.
I love hyenas. Hi. I just come here.
Wow.
Come here. It must hate being caught in this cage.
Right, that's what it looked like.
Especially stuff like this, like they need to be free,
Mm-hmm.
Man,
not be stuck.
crazy.
This
Hey.
must be
Uh-oh,
there we
he's
go.
looking at you.
it must be depressing too, so he has no one else.
I just get.
You right. Oh, look at the fishies, y'all. And the turtle.
There we go. Something not so scary, huh?
Turtle.
Hey,
Are them
Daddy.
catfish? What is this?
Daddy.
These are
Daddy.
koi fish, I think.
Yeah, koi fish. Yeah, you want you to listen to him.
Okay, yeah. Big cats play raw.
They can live to 200 years, guys. That's crazy. It's a lizard, a gecko or something, y'all.
Oh,
You
this
see
thing?
it? Yeah.
Yeah.
You see it?
No.
Is that a crocodile?
No.
That is not a crocodile, Mom.
It's a, you sure?
They're supposed to be alligators.
Oh, it can come out.
Right, that's
Why
what
did
Mama
they put that
said.
small thing in it?
I don't think they did. Oh, look. There's more right there. I didn't even see that. Wait, the crocodiles and turtle? Right, that's what I'm saying, Daniel. They together?
Why they together?
That's
Right.
That's why that turtle in their shell.
Mm-hmm. That one out. He's just chilling.
I'm pretty sure
Crocodiles over there.
eat a turtle because of their shell.
Oh.
That must have been a huge dog.
Or alligators.
It's just still.
Wow, that's huge. That one started moving when I walked by. It was scary.
This is an American alligator. She was born on August 22nd, 1997.
Oh.
I don't know why her name is Bob, but her name is Bob. And it's a she.
The boy is the boy name.
It is a boy name. That's a girl alligator.
Oh, it's born tailless. Did you read that?
Oh, okay. No, I didn't read that part. And that's why Daniel was like, why do I see an alligator's booty? That's what he told me.
Oh. See, Daniel's smart.
Hey, it says
Yeah. Cool.
in
Bye.
name black. Daddy, baby. Why Daddy?
You having a good time. Look at AJ. He just smiling. Sorry, AJ. I'm not scaring you. Lizard, frogs, and turtles. Oh, are we going in here? Mask required in there, y'all.
The regular. They don't like reptiles.
Okay.
Hey,
Any-
Daddy.
Huh?
I like red and Daddy.
Okay.
I like a red.
Yeah, we go this way. What did y'all want to eat? Popcorn, hot dogs, chips.
Where you going, Maddie?
Y'all want to get something to eat? Chanel? Yeah. Come on, AJ. Let's get something to eat. Aww. Okay, y'all. So I'm freaking out. I don't do nature, and it's birds all around trying to get our food.
Then why did we come here?
To see nature. Oh,
There's a bird behind.
stop it. Why are you saying
Don't tell
that?
her.
Please.
It ain't bothering nobody.
Right.
Going back over there. Sit down.
You gonna let this
It ain't
stuff
bothering
fly.
nobody.
Right there. I can see behind me.
That's the extra, though.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Take a picture.
Somebody shooting the garbage.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't want nobody to go in the garbage.
This is a friendly reminder that in about 15 minutes or so, we'll be having a live reptile show at spot number 15
Yes, ma'am.
on your park map, the amphitheater.
I'm not feeling something.
Once again, in about
Okay, next time
15
you're not gonna
minutes or
throw
so,
your
we'll be
popcorn.
having
I
a
know.
live reptile
I know you want that
show
next time.
at spot number.
Oh, is that right?
Ooh, procrastinate. Thanks, AJ.
For the good health.
Yeah. Why is she growling?
Great. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Whoa. It's cool. Uh-oh. The last one. One was. Look. He ain't gone yet. He's just sitting there. There we go. One more.
You guys are here for the reptile show. The way that this is going to work is that I will have two animals to present to you guys today. I'll kind of bring each one out, talk a little bit about each one. Hopefully you might learn something cool. Now, under normal circumstances, this would be a handling show where you can touch the animals. Unfortunately, though, because of COVID, I cannot allow anybody to touch any of the animals. So with that being said, does anybody have any questions about anything related to the rules at all?
No.
No? Awesome. Sounds good. So with that being said, I'll go ahead right in the back and I will grab the first animal for you guys today. First animal that I do have for you today is a Burmese python. Now, Burmese pythons are one of the largest snake species in the world. Now, you guys may have heard about these guys before because they are very popular pets in the snake trade. So if you do happen to be thinking about getting a pet snake at any point, I definitely encourage you to do as much research as you possibly can. because a quick Google search on these guys will tell you they do grow to be 20 to 25 feet long. They weigh over 200 pounds when they are fully grown, and they typically live for about 20 to 25 years or so. Those baby Burmese pythons, once they hatch, they want to get up off the ground, stay up in the trees, up into the tall bushes. I'm going to do my best to try to catch one of these guys for you during the show.
Got it. Let's try.
Right. Woo, he's not happy. Alright, so you guys might notice, yes, I am going to tape this guy's mouth closed. That is for safety reasons. I don't want to get bit. I want to keep all my fingers today. Now, don't worry, I'm using electrical tape, which is nice and soft. It's not going to hurt the animal. And I'm taking extra care not to tape over his nostrils or his eyes. So he can still see what's going on. He can still breathe just fine. And it won't hurt him at all. He doesn't squirm away from me here. All right. Hopefully this guy will calm down here in a minute. Now, like I said, this is an American alligator. Now, American alligators are only one of 2 known alligator species in the entire world. 50-50 shot of males and females, and that's roughly what the mother out in the wild will shoot for as well. And one of the most common questions we do get asked here at Alligator Adventure is, what is the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? Well, the easiest way to tell that difference is by looking at the snout of the animal in question. Well, alligators like these guys, they have shorter, wider, more U-shaped snouts that are more rounded at the end. Now, crocodiles, they have that longer, more slender, pointed V-shaped snout. Another great way to tell, and this is my personal favorite, is by looking at the teeth of the animal in question.
What did you say, Dad? What happened when they eat?
Shout it real, real loud.
What happened when they eat every day?
What happens when they eat every day? They get really fat.
Get it, Dwayne. You dancing? What you doing?
You guys don't have
Oh, that little one. Looking at Dwayne. Oh, he's nice. Is it cute? Oh, twin. Oh, it's the real lion. He's smashing.
Oh, come here. Come on.
Then
You're missing the mountain lion. Look at the mountain.
right
Yeah, I
there.
don't see him either though. You gotta tell me where you at though.
Right there. He's smashing. Come here.
Dang.
He eating a bird.
Eating a bird too. Where? Ah, right
Yeah,
there,
you look.
underneath that log.
He's smashing. Come here, Daniel. Come here.
That's crazy.
AJ, look. You see the tiger? The log.
But I want to see with my glasses.
But can you see him though? First, look. Look under this log. You see that cat eating the bird? That's a mountain lion.
Just a mountain lion.
Yeah.
Right over here. Look.
You see another one?
Look at them claws. Yeah.
Oh, I see that. Just goes like that.
Wow.
I know one.
That's some big old claws. You see that?
That's enough. You wanna see a mountain lion eating a bird?
I know one. The bird.
And it's a female, I think, right here looking at us.
Dad, where are you?
Bert? Hey, Bert! Hello?
Which bird?
Right here. Don't. Hi. He like everybody gone.
Right.
I think he said as well. Crocodile and alligator. Look at him. It's a whole bunch of them.
So this is basically just like an alligator crocodile exhibit.
You like Kaka?
Yeah, it's the copy I buy.
He said cracker. He repeated you, damn. Cracker. AJ, get back. Move your finger.
Yeah, no finger.
Hi, hi,
Cracker?
Say hi.
hi.
Hello. Hello. Look at him. He's climbing.
Daddy,
Oh.
Oh, you on Dan? You know what that guy's like.